Withdrawing money from WhatsApp to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access the payments section. Navigate to the chat where you have received money or go to the settings menu. Look for the payments option and tap on it to access your payment settings. Step 3. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the payments section. Select the option to withdraw money, then choose the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the money has been successfully transferred to your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from WhatsApp to your bank account. Always ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience.